Star Wars fans, prepare yourselves. If you want a sleek, stylish way to show off your love of The Mandalorian, then you're going to want to keep watching because this is a big one. We are incredibly excited to bring you a brand new design collaboration between Star Wars and us here at Logitech G, in the form of the A30 wireless gaming headset, the Mandalorian Edition. We've taken the popular A30 headset, which works with PS5, Xbox Series S and X, PC, Mac, Nintendo Switch, our latest cloud handheld gaming console, and mobile, to bring you a new design that would look right at home next to Din Djarin himself. So let's take a look, shall we? It comes in this sleek black box that is super easy to get into, and luckily there is minimal packaging, so you don't have to wait long to get to the main event. You just pull the tab up top like so, slide the box out, and there we have it. You might have noticed some Mandalorian script on the inside, and this isn't the last time you'll see that either. It comes in this black carry case with the mud horn on the front here, and the headset fits in nice and easily. I'll go ahead and take it out and unzip it so we can see the headset. I'm sure you've noticed right away that it looks just like it's made from Beskar and is in the colors of Din Djarin's Mandalorian armor. I'll set the extras aside for now and we'll come back to these later. The A30 has a comfortable ergonomic design, and on the outside we have the speaker tags, with Mando on the left here and a mudhorn on the right. A Mandalorian might not be able to remove their helmet, but you can remove the speaker tags on the headset. And underneath you'll find another nod to the show, this time written in Mandalorian script. On this side it says "This is the way," and on the left here is a hexagon chest piece found on Mando's armor. One of the great things about this headset is that it's designed for gaming wherever you are. It has more than 27 hours of battery life and flexible connectivity through either Bluetooth or 3.5mm AUX, so you can use it at home or on the go, now with the added benefit of being able to represent the Mandalorian clan whilst you do. The ear cups of the A30 are on a swivel mount for easy carry, so we can just turn them like so to show the left and right inside the cups, also in Mandalorian script. The swivel ear cups also make it super easy to pack them away into the carry case, and you'll be happy to hear that the Mando references don't stop at the headset. Now let's take a look at the accessories. Here we've got the removable boom mic, the A30 charge cable, and the 3.5mm AUX cable. Then for fans of the child, and who isn't, the headset's USB-A receiver is in the same color as his hovering pram, and features Grogu on the end here. You can also continue to make this headset your own using the Logitech G mobile app, which will give you free rein to customize and command your entire audio experience from your phone. You can adjust your audio mix and EQ with just a few simple taps. Overall, the headset strikes the perfect balance of being subtle and sleek, whilst also celebrating one of our favorite shows set in our favorite universe. The A30 wireless gaming headset Mandalorian Edition is available to buy right now from the link in the description. Let us know in the comments your favorite Mando moment, and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all the new product releases from us here at Logitech G. Thanks for watching.